Everybody wide.
He's also
Everybody
drinking out of
wide.
a milk bottle, a baby bottle.
Yeah, I love it. They have a hunky Jesus calendar where he's like a carpenter, a fireman, like really like horrible. If you just like type in sexy Jesus and look at images, they're awful. They're great awful, like super awesome awful. GOP fodder.
Time for emergency hero system.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Attacks by the undead have been reported in several states across the country. They include Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, Ohio, and Texas. The dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. At this time, it is expected that more attacks of this nature will occur in several other states during the next few hours. The reason behind this phenomenon is still unknown. It has been observed that an exchange of fluids is a method of transmission, which might be an indicator of a virus or bacteria-induced disease. People who are attacked and bit have been displaying the following symptoms: nausea and vomiting, blurred vision, loss of muscle control and unconsciousness. After that, a period of apparent death will follow, from which the affected person will wake up and attempt to feed on human flesh. This period of semi-death can last from minutes to hours. The revived person appears not to have any memories and will attack any living person on sight. This is an extremely dangerous situation. To protect yourself from this phenomenon, all residents are instructed to follow these instructions: stay away from any of these undead creatures, get inside a building, few doors and windows. Seek shelter in a room above or below ground, preferably one that is blocked by several doors. Make sure you take food, water and a radio, TV or cell phone with you to your refuge. It is not known whether this event will last for hours, days or even longer. Stay calm, as authorities have been dispatched to deal with these creatures. An all-clear signal will be sent when this situation is under control.
Now, 5 o'clock this evening. Now, funding. Welcome to the funding. Today, stand still to Mark Queen. Mark Queen.
Who?
Mark Queen.
Mark Green. He's the Army Secretary candidate,
Mark
but he's not.
Green.
You got it right.
Mark Queen means.
Mark
It's a
Green
man's
means
name.
asshole.
It's a man's name. The man happens to be an asshole, yes, but that's another. There might be Mark Greens out there that are
There
nice
might be
guys.
nice Mark Green.
There are probably nice Mark Greens out
There's more
there.
than one person named Mark Green.
There's probably more than one person named Connor Conti.
What? Connor Conti said 11 bullshit.
Right.
Yes, he is.
Can I tell you? Can I tell you
Glad
something?
You know your address.
Can I tell you something? When I was growing up, there was another. My name is Brian Conti. We had another Brian Conti that lived next door, not far away. His middle name was different than mine. His middle name was not Anthony. My name is Anthony. My middle name is Anthony. Brian Anthony Conti. He was Brian something else Conti. But his dad's name was Anthony, just like my dad's name was Anthony. How do you like that? So I used to get his mail by accident. They would send it to me because we had the same name. So one day I went over and I handed him all his mail and I said, "Hey, Brian Conti, my name is Brian Conti," and we both had a good laugh. Yeah, so I actually met the guy with my own name. He's got the Brian and the Conti. Now Connor's not as common a name as Brian, so there's probably less Connor Contis out
I
there.
think most Connors now are like in their teens, because Connor was big like about 15, 18 years ago. When the Connor boom. So he's not a super common name anymore,
No.
which I like.
No.
No?
Still can't
You
believe you
exactly-
were gonna give him Hadrian for a middle name. I'm crying over that
I
one.
thought of it lately. I'm not
Crying
back
over
then.
that one.
I would have done it. Definitely.
Why don't you look at the tweet I sent you? There's good pictures. music that you would think is sexy.
Yeah. Where's spots?
So come on, you got to admit, doesn't that smell and look good in the bathroom?
It does.
I just wanted that. I didn't care to wait for the people because you know what? It's kind of embarrassing that we have mold anyhow, so I like to get rid of it.
People have mold. It's not embarrassing.
No, I know. No, I don't mean it's like
The
sign.
smell's gone though.
Yeah, that's what I really wanted.
I'm shocked that the smell's gone. I'm proud of myself.
Ah, that's great. Oh, now he's a fireman too. Putting out a burning bush. Did you notice?
Yes.
Sexy Jesus.
Be quiet.
Okay, Connor.
Sexy, sexy.
I like what you said about it, but I know it's usually kids or farm animals.
Please. Oh no. Next time. Do Mark Queen again. Tomorrow just still do Mark Queen. Oh, thank you for participating. See you next time. There's a rhythm and a new one.